This is John Young with the Disc Jockey News and Disc Jockey News TV. We are doing our Tuesday tip of the week. This week, I'm going to give you one little component, one little key, one little characteristic of what great salespeople pretty much all have in common. If they're a good salesperson who's been at it a long time, this is something that they have in them. And what that is that great salespeople come at it and they are servants for those that they are selling to. Great salespeople basically know that the customer is king, that the customer basically owns them, because without the customer, that salesperson is out of business, is basically eating ramen noodles if they had to get out of the garbage can because they are out of, they're broke. Great salespeople, great leaders in that whole industry are great servants. What does that mean, though? What does it mean to be a servant to someone? That means that I am here to serve. If you are the person I'm talking to and I'm wanting to sell my wedding services to you, I'm here to serve you. How can I serve you? I'm coming to you with a humble heart. I'm coming to you with a humble personality, because without you, I don't succeed. Without you, I'm not in business. I'm out. So I'm coming to you and trying to find out, what I can do to help you, what I can do to serve you. What can I do to make your wedding day just fabulous? What can I do to help make your wedding day just as easy and stress-free and comfortable for you and fun for your family? What can I do to help make that vision you have for your wedding day come true? I'm here to serve you. That's what I do. When people are calling and they ask you, hey, do you DJ? Well, yes, that's part of what I do. I entertain at weddings. Oh, well, so you DJ? No, actually, what I do is a full gamut of things. But the real key and crux of what I do is I am here to serve the bride and groom, represent them in a way that makes their day just as smooth, carefree, fun, and enjoyable for everyone involved. And it's me serving them and helping them to create that day that really brings it out. So if you're wanting to be a successful person in sales and in really almost any aspect of life, think of yourself in the mind of a servant and how you can help those and serve those around you. If this is your first Tuesday tip, first off, thank you for watching. We'd ask that you go down and click the subscribe button down below, because that subscribe button to our channel, if you've never seen one of our videos, will get you on that subscriber list, and you're going to be able to go and see things when the videos drop, because we go and cover different conventions around the country. We do gear videos, reviews, we've got weekly programming, and we would like to make sure that you don't miss any of the videos. So please click subscribe down below. And we will have, new videos coming out 3 or 4 or 5 times a week, and we'd love to have you check those out. If this is one of the many times you have watched a Tuesday tip, thank you, thank you, thank you. You are the reason why we do these, because Tuesday tips are here to hopefully help you, motivate you, get you excited about our biz, the DJ world. Yeah, thank you. Share your thoughts down below. Comment section, that's for you guys. If you're first time here, the comment section on a Tuesday tips, you need to go down and check those out, because that's where you're going to have other people sharing their knowledge, sharing their selves with you, serving you through those comments down below, and you're going to learn a lot from other DJs who are learning right along with all of us. Once again, thank you for watching. This is John Young with the Disc Jockey News.
If I were you, I'd hit the subscribe button before I hit the video. But don't mess things up. Wanna know why? Because I'm Batman.